Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is a daily ritual for many of us, coffee. Whether you start your morning with a fresh brew or enjoy a cup of throughout the day, coffee is more than just wake up a call. It's packed with surprising health benefits that might just make feel even better about your favorite drink. So grab your cup of joe and let's explore the healthy perks of drinking coffee every day. Boost physical performance and energy levels. The most well-known benefits of coffee. It's a fantastic energy booster. Coffee is loaded with caffeine, a natural stimulant that can enhance your physical performance and keep you alert throughout the day. When you drink coffee, caffeine enters your bloodstream and travels to your brain. It blocks an inhibitory neurotransmitter called adenosine, which leads to increased firing of new neurons and release of other neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. This can boost your energy levels, mood, and even your reaction time. Packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. Did you know that coffee is also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants? It's true. Each cup of coffee contains more than just caffeine. It's also a great source of vitamins and minerals. Coffee provides several essential nutrients, including vitamin B2, B3, and B5, as well as magnesiums and potassiums. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining your overall health, supports brain health, and reduces risk of neurodegeneration. Let's talk about your brain. Drinking coffee regularly has been linked to a lower risk of several neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Caffeine in coffee has neuroprotective properties. It boosts brain function by improving memory, mood, wakefulness, and cognitive functions. Studies have shown that regular coffee drinkers have up to 65% lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and 32 to 60% lower risk of Parkinson's disease. Enhances fat burning and aid weight loss. Are you looking to shed a few pounds? Coffee might be able to help with the too. Caffeine is a cinnamon ingredient in fat burning supplement and for good reasons. Studies have shown that caffeine can increase your metabolic rate in 3 to 11%, which helps your body burn fat more efficiently. It also enhances the breakdown of fat cells and increases the release of adrenaline, preparing your body for physical exertions. Lowers risk of type 2 diabetes. Here are some good news for coffee lovers. Drinking coffee may lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a major health concern worldwide. Several studies have found that regular coffee consumption is associated with a significantly lower risk of type 2 diabetes. This could be due to coffee's ability to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, protects your liver and reduce risk of liver diseases. Let's not forget about our liver. Drinking coffee has been shown to have protective effects on these vital organs, reducing the risk of liver diseases, including Alzheimer's and liver cancer. Coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing liver diseases. In fact, consuming 4 or more cups of coffee a day has been associated with up to an 80% lower risk of diabetes, especially alcohol. Citrus coffee also lowers the risk of liver cancer by around 14%. Improves mood and fight depression. Studies have shown that people who drink coffee have lower risk of depression and are less likely to experience mood swings. Caffeine stimulates neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which can improve your mood and make you feel happier. Thanks for joining me today to explore the wonderful health benefits of drinking coffee every day. Whether you are a coffee aficionado or just enjoy the occasional cup, there is plenty of reason to feel good about your favorite brew.